Okay.
So I'm trying for jobs. I
Mm-hmm.
got an offer like
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks back
Okay, great.
on machine learning engineer, but
Mm-hmm.
because I don't have work permit like valid work permit, they they took interview, but they said after getting valid work permit or like
I'm trying for
they may
job.
consider me.
I got an offer.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
now, when you will get your work permit actually? It takes time or else?
Like it takes time. It takes 4 months, more 4 months, December.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
So like I'm updating LinkedIn, but like for 2 years, like I kept experience as 2 years. Mine
Mm-hmm.
is 2 years, so
Mm-hmm.
I kept as it is. So
Okay.
is that okay, or like here in Canada and US, we have to keep fake to get jobs?
So
So
those kind of things usually consultancies people are doing still now. But when you are getting an opportunity, don't go for fake experience. The reason situation also not so good nowadays, right? If you are not getting calls
yes,
at that time, we can discuss how to manage. Even though we have a tie-up with almost a lot many consultancies across US, Canada, and Mexico as well. So our
okay,
Indian consultancies, you know, right, how they will perform.
yes,
Honestly, they
yes,
will make sometimes 5, 6, and 7 years of work experience also.
yeah.
But you are when you are already cracked in the sense one interview with as your genuine experience, you no need to do that again.
So that is okay,
You
right?
can go with the happily with your genuine. And meanwhile, instead of killing your time anyway, you are joining for the upskilling yourself. Add all these concepts, and meanwhile, be active in your LinkedIn also.
Sure, sure,
And
sure.
try to attend like some kind of events will be there, either Microsoft's or else Azure's events and all these communities will be there. Improve your network there, build your network. So network will more help us to get jobs in particular in abroad.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
So,
Thank
so
you.
the networking is more important. Even after learning, while learning the course, also you can try to focus as much as interacting with the community. And example today, trainer explaining about some AI applications. So after understanding your own point of view, try to write an article.
Okay, so
Example,
we
your
can
trainer
keep
explaining about some
as
Python
many.
concepts. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So we can keep as many articles as possible on
Yes,
LinkedIn.
yes,
Like
yes,
there's
yes.
no limit.
Yeah, as much as you can use a chat GPT for that to get it in a more better version. So,
Okay.
but with your own idea.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Right? You can go ahead with that. As much daily one article also that's fine. So what happened after 6 months? Your complete profile looks like exactly a data scientist or AI expert profile because you are writing the articles, you are preparing one end-to-end project, everything in a LinkedIn, right? So if anyone looking your profile, so it looks like exactly a data scientist. So actually in the US market, what happening with the freshers or else a recent LinkedIn accounts, they are not getting calls. Companies also verifying their LinkedIn accounts. That's the reason I heard some people they are buying the old LinkedIn accounts.
Yeah. Yeah. They do that here. They buy the LinkedIn accounts. Yeah.
Yeah. So instead of that, you can make it better LinkedIn account for you, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Guys, any questions meanwhile before entering into actual session, you can ask me any things you have, Harish and Arsha.
I don't have any questions.
Yeah, Harish. Yeah, yeah. Ask me, Harish, if you have.
I said I don't have any questions.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Your good name, please.
Mahesh.
Okay, okay,
And the Koti is going to be handle your entire course, and from the starting onwards till course completion, he only will take care.
okay, okay.
So you are looking for job in India, or else you are also from abroad?
Yeah, I'm in USA.
Yes. Okay.
Currently, yeah, currently I'm working as a I'm working on DevOps technology. I'm
Okay.
planning to migrate
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Yeah,
into
it will help
MLOps.
you because
MLOps.
recently,
Yeah,
yeah, it will help you. Recently, that concept called the MLOps, and after MLOps, now AI ops also coming to the picture.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah.
your work, CI/CD pipelines deployment, now data engineers and data scientists and data analysts only doing for themselves, right?
Yeah,
So it's
yeah,
better
yeah,
you have to enter into the AI.
yeah,
Yeah, it will help you for sure, Harish.
yeah, yeah.
Hi Harish. Hi Rajita.
Hi,
Hi
hi, sir.
Anantalakshmi.
So today, like,
Huh.
yeah, give me some nice AI tools to build a resume.
Fill the resume.
Yeah. AI tools like open source tools.
Yeah. So not only to build the resume, but you can take in a mock interview and the tool built by our team only with the KSR team. So we will show you
Mhm.
that also. You can take mock interview
Okay.
directly. Before, most
Uh,
of the people will fail in their interview because of the nervousness, right?
yeah,
Even
yeah,
they
yeah,
know
yeah.
the question, but they will at that moment the nervousness leads to the fail the interview. So we build a tool. It's a completely will take the interview depends on your project.
Mhm.
Okay, so you can able to try with that. Once.
Yeah. So yeah, recently my wife is attended one of the interview called one of the client called Bank of America, and then like
Okay.
the feedback is technically she's good, but she's feeling
Hmm.
nervous. That's why they rejected.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So we built a
Harish,
tool like from
Harish,
almost last
huh?
2 years onwards, our team working on it, and finally we built the tool. So there you can able to keep your resume and example you have a JD with some other company and your resume and JD we can match it. If any loopholes in there like that skill set are not matching, it will be highlight. You can modify your resume as per that. After that, you can able
Okay.
to attend in a particular company. If you have that JD, you can push that JD and the resume, your resume, and our team, like our AI tool, right, will shoot the interview questions related to that.
Okay.
You can take the complete mock interview. So the tool name is AI Interview Hub. It's a prototype is done and we are testing India currently with our internal students only. We are not yet started selling outside, but we are giving and some colleges voluntarily we are giving to the some colleges. So you
Okay.
can try now. If read like I will share my screen and I will explain like how to log
Yeah,
in to
yeah,
the tool and all.
yeah. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah.
AI interview hub, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So maybe in Google we can't get it immediately because we are not started marketing for this. This is the tool.
Okay.
Okay. So the name you can able to utilize this one.
Okay.
Okay. So first 5 interviews it will be free only.
Okay.
I sent you the link in the group. Please check it, everyone.
In the
Forgot the
chat, sir.
password it seems.
Yes. Oh, sorry. I did not send it. Just now I sent it. Check it.
Okay.
Everyone, can you please open your laptop and can you check? I think first we'll go with the tool. Mahesh, I
Yeah.
think you
Yeah,
are.
I will explain. Meanwhile, we are people
Just
are
wait.
checking, right? Yeah.
Few minutes.
Yeah.
Wait
I'm
for a few minutes. Let everyone join us.
yeah. Meanwhile, I'm just checking this.
I think I would request use the new mail and email ID and password.
Yeah, we can do that one also. Or else I will log in with completely new. So it's a first time, right, guys? You can sign up with your email ID. Let me try with any of my mail ID. Check it.
Let's wait for 2 3 minutes. We will
Yeah.
start the session. I mean, we'll start it. We'll first go with everyone. We'll try with the tool, then we will go with the class.
Yes.
Okay, Harish?
Okay, sir.
Apurva, just few minutes, 2-3 minutes. Let's wait for everyone to join us.
I have account for this also, it seems. Let me give a second. I will go with the old one only. Guys, you are able to log in?
Yeah, I'm able to log in.
Okay, okay. So I have multiple accounts, it seems. That's the reason I'm not able to do here.
I think wait for 2-3 minutes, Mahesh.
Yeah. Hello.
ఎవరు పంపించారు బీడీఏ గ్రూప్ లోనా
You
పంపించారా
guys can keep it mute.
ఆ?
పెట్టండి సరే
Mahesh, I think you can start. I think you can start. Mahesh, are you there? Shall I start otherwise?
Wait, Koti. We will start. Let me share my screen, guys. So, like he was asking about the some resume preparation tool. So we already developed a tool for even interview preparation as well. Okay. So this is the tool. You can able to see the technical interview by keeping your JD. Example, you already attended planning to attend any company and they have provided JD already, right? You can give the entire JD and what are the projects you done already. So everything you can provide here. Okay, so that depends on that system will ask the questions. If anyone have a resume, you can share with me. Maybe I will validate right now. Harish, right? If you want to check your resume and any JD,
Yeah,
we can validate right now.
yeah. Let me share my resume.
Yeah, you can send to my mail ID. It's a mahesh@datavision.com.
Can you put your mail ID?
Yes,
Can you put your mail ID in
the
the chat?
chart I'm keeping. Koti, could you please keep in chart or else enable to me as well? A chart got disabled for me. Um, Koti, are you there? Could you please enable chat for me as well? Or else that's
Yeah,
fine.
I'm just checking. I'm just
No, no,
checking.
I
Just
got
give
it. I
me.
got it. I taken the host access. I will
Yeah.
do that.
Okay, I think explain from the basic onwards how to log in.
Yeah. So this is my email ID. Okay. I'm just let me share my screen, guys, again. Meanwhile, Yeah. So you can just sign up here, give your name, your email ID, your first name, your last name, and your WhatsApp number. OTP we will get for WhatsApp as well. So provide your WhatsApp number and password. So I already just logged in. So I'm just logging directly. Okay. Login. Okay. So this will be your interface. Harish, you sent your resume?
Yes,
Yeah.
I sent my resume as well as one of the
JD as
JD.
well. Okay.
Yep,
We will check it, those two. You sent to my mail ID, right?
that's correct.
Yeah. Text, right. So meanwhile, guys, anyone like you can create your own account anyway. It's the first couple of interviews. It's a free only. You can validate your resume 10 times and you can check it your ATS score and you can modify. Currently, it will give only inputs to make it better resume, but we are updating to give the better version of the resume also. Not just to give inputs, it will only modify the resume. Okay. MLOps, right? Okay. So actually, currently we made it the resume to read only PDF files. So I will convert this into the PDF later. Okay. Harish MLOps data in a resume. Okay. Okay. Let's convert to over to PDF. Harish, right? It's kept like this one only, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. Let's wait to convert PDF. Yeah. So let's try with your resume once. Okay.
Okay.
So your ML ops engineer, right? What's your designation? You
Yep,
kept.
MLOps. Yeah.
Okay, let's check there also. You mentioned your designation as a DevOps engineer, right here?
In the project or
Yeah. No, no. Finally, your designation like as a DevOps engineer, right? You kept as a
yep,
DevOps engineer.
yep,
Yeah. Let's say it's the same thing. DevOps engineer or else ML ops engineer if required. You are both, right?
yep,
Okay. So you already shared the some JD also to me, right?
yep, yep, yep.
Okay. I'm copying the JD. Okay.
Anyone have faced the issue to get the password, OTPs?
Sorry. A resume by mistake. I uploaded old, it seems. Just give me a second. System validate your resume and your JD, everything it's matching or not. Depends on that, it will give the overall score. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see like what are the matching skills, what are mismatching skills. As a DevOps engineer, maybe SageMaker, S3, Lambda, you are missing in your resume, sir? Any of Airflow, performance monitoring, anything IAM. You didn't kept IAM in your resume. Usually IAM will for DevOps engineers only, right?
Right.
Yeah, you missed it, right? IAM, it's not there, no, your resume.
Might be. Yeah.
Okay, let's check it. Maybe we will validate that also. Anyway, it's there here. Okay. So maybe you mentioned with the break, it's your resume only, right?
Yes.
Okay. So with the roles and responsibilities, it's maybe missing. It will be show here as a missing
Okay.
skill. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
exactly matching skills as a DevOps engineer, it's showing here. If any topic is missing, right, it will show here
Okay.
the complete concept. Skill gap
Okay.
analysis. We can check it. Skill gap analysis.
Okay.
The resume is showing a strong foundation for DevOps and engineering and MLOps skills, but has a notable gaps.
Okay.
Particularly for an MLOps engineer like AWS services, SageMaker, S3, Lambda, SNS, IAM. In particularly
Okay.
those concepts during the MLOps related stuff. IAM is there for the DevOps. MLOps related, maybe if it's missing, it's a highlighting there.
Okay.
Particularly for MLOps experience, you can see the absence of SageMaker pipelines, weighing and biases, Kubeflow, Airflow, and Argo workflows indicates a lack of deeper MLOps experience. If I kept
Okay.
only DevOps engineer, maybe it may suits you, but I mentioned as a MLOps engineer, right? So it's showing like
Yeah.
a missing matching, mismatching skills here. You can
Okay.
see here all. Also, the job description wanted 13 plus years overall and 4 plus years, especially MLOps roles.
Okay.
Okay. In our resume, we may missed that one, I guess. Let me check. Total 12 years of experience.
Yeah. 12
Just
years is
giving
there.
input, like maybe we can modify resume while actually sending to the client or recruiter.
Okay.
If required, we can modify these kind of things. So
Okay.
it
Okay.
will get a more chances to pick our resume.
Yeah.
Okay, matched skills, Python you mentioned, ECS, EKS, and mismatching missing skills they clearly mentioned here. What are the topics we missed there? Okay,
Okay.
and capability and structure and format. It will give the inputs to you to make it better one.
Okay.
Good points here. Overall score it's giving only 48 only. So where we can improve if you are giving all these points right, it may make a better version.
Um. Okay.
Okay.
48 means what is that score?
Usually we are
Okay.
keeping as a 70 to 75% actually.
Okay.
Because of these pictures and all, maybe it's not getting properly. So we can able to validate one more time. Okay.
Okay.
So the missing matching skills, if you are updating, you will get in a better version.
Okay.
So once this topic is done, right, you can go with the multiple choice questions just to improve casual practice and all. After that, you can go with the technical interview and then behavioral interview. Usually these
Okay.
multiple terms, right, in interviews also. Behavioral mostly with the manager rounds we will have.
Yeah.
So shall we try like a multiple choice questions, any of one topic, which you already know it like it's working properly or not, we can check it.
Okay.
AWS, you are strong, sir?
Yep.
Yeah, let's select AWS only. I am giving 4-star rating for everything. CI/CD pipelines. Python, shall I give 2 or 4?
Yep. 3.
Okay. Okay. I'm just giving randomly. Okay, we'll see. Do you have any idea about this?
What is Elastic Beanstalk used for? Running the serverless code, deploying and scaling the web application, managing the containers, automating the infrastructure deployment, deploying and scaling the web application. Option D.
D. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
What is the code deploy is used for running serverless code, automating the infrastructure deployment, managing the containers, deploying the application EC instance on the on-premises, automating the infrastructure deployments. That is also not suitable option.
Okay.
Deploying the
C.
applications to the EC2 instances on-premises. Yep. C.
Okay. Yeah. Check this.
Um, which AWS service is designed for building and training and deploying the machine learning models at scale? SageMaker. Amazon D. Option D.
Okay.
Which of the following is a central application in the AWS portfolio? Which of the following is a central application in the AWS portfolio?
Okay.
If the application is central application in the that question is I'm not clear.
Okay.
You can
You can do the check in Google or else someone check it in ChatGPT and tell me, that's fine. So the reason why we are giving multiple choice questions youngsters or freshers, the reason by hearting all these things, right? You will get in a confidence during your interview. You will do research. Example, this question you didn't understand. Like you can do the ChatGPT, that's fine.
yeah.
Any other also can answer, guys. This one. Just to sharpen our brain.
Elastic Compute Cloud, the first one.
First one.
Easy
Okay.
to solve.
Okay. Let's.
Central application in the AWS portfolio.
Mhm.
Okay. Which of the following is an AWS compute service EC2? C.
EC2. C, right? Okay.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah.
What AWS service is used to create and manage the virtual private network VPNs in the cloud? VPC, option A.
Option A. Okay.
Option A.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Which service can be used to distribute the content delivery and improve the website performance is CloudFront. Option A.
Yeah. Two more.
Yeah. What is the AWS cloud trail is used for? Storing and retrieving the data, managing the services, monitoring the API activity. Option C.
Okay. Great.
What does pip stands for? Python package manager to install packages. Pip, pip install Python, pip install packages, pip install program. Basically pip package. I think B.
B. Yeah.
Pip
Okay.
install packages. Okay. Which of the following is the
Dot py.
correct dot py? Yeah. Dot option C.
C. Okay. Dot by.
Yeah.
Okay. All are we answer. So you can just give the submit button here. So
Yeah.
if anyone not answer, it will show red. And if it's just waiting for the answer, it will show turn as a blue. Okay. We answered all.
Okay.
So it's turning as a green color. So we just need to submit.
Okay.
Okay. So next, you can see the answers one by one.
Okay.
First, we are
Deploying.
correct. Okay. Second one, it's wrong. Actually, that is the
Okay.
EC2 instance. One by one, if you
Okay.
want to check it. Okay. Third
Page
correct,
method.
fourth correct, fifth correct, sixth correct. So good, Harish, like mostly it's correct. Yeah, ninth, preferred install program, the PIP means. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 10th. So if you want to see the complete report here, out of 10, you got 8.
Yeah.
In real time, maybe interviews where no one is asking MCQ for experience, but it will be just boosts your confidence skills and it will be like a brainstorming.
Yeah. So basically, like before technical interview, they will put this
Yes.
kind of exams as well.
Yes, yes.
Nowadays, it's mandatory. Yeah.
Yeah. So after that, you can go to the technical interview and you can give your JD and you can add projects and the system will take the interview. After interview, you can take the video also. Your entire video you can download and you can able to check up, see yourself like how you answered.
Okay. Okay.
So if required, I can add some projects here. Let's open your resume. These are the roles and responsibilities, right? Let's add one project. So what tools usually we'll use, sir? I'm not aware about DevOps and
Yeah.
Harish.
Docker, Kubernetes,
Okay. Okay.
Terraform, Kubernetes,
Okay. I will
Terraform,
from here. Maybe the spelling is
Terraform,
also wrong. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Terraform, and yeah. CI/CD,
Okay.
GitHub Action.
So you can give all the things in real time. I'm just showing how it works. Let's show like maybe I work from January to till date. Okay. Yeah. Next. So before that, it will ask to see the camera and quality and audio quality, everything. Let's check my voice first. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hi, this is Mahesh. You can see here like it's converting to the text, right? So my voice is everything is clear here. Let's check my cam quality as well. Okay. Yeah. You can see here like I'm able to see here, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's see here. Maybe my, yeah. So now I'm good, everything. So we can proceed for other interview, start interview. Technically, I'm not sure anything. Okay, I will close the interview after starting immediately.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Mahesh. I have around 12 years of work experience. Okay, sorry. I have to start record here. Record the answer. Hi, this is Mahesh. I have around 10 years of work experience as a DevOps engineer. I'm good with the DevOps, Docker, Terraform, Ansible, and I had a total 5 years of experience only on the DevOps and around 3 years of work experience as a data engineer. Okay, you can see it's converted to text. If you want anything corrections, maybe you can do. Okay, first of 3 lines it's additionally added, so I'm removing here. Okay, let's I'm just sending here.
You've noticed increased cold start times for your fast API microservices deployed on EKS, specifically for those serving AI, ML models. This is impacting the user experience. How would you diagnose the root cause and implement solutions to reduce these cold start times? Consider factors like container image size, resource allocation, and Python dependencies.
You have any idea, Harish? Is it correct question only?
Yeah, you increase the, yeah, that's absolutely right question.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
So I'm technically not good with this thing. So maybe you can check it later. I will submit the
Yeah,
interview.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I just given one answer. Okay. So I can download my video actually here. Because some people have a shy right to face the interview, so they can themselves alone in their room, they can perform all their interview practice and they can download and they can see themselves where they are lowing and where they are struggling to answer. They can able to check it here by downloading the interview.
Okay.
Okay, and check the view report. Okay, I just got the only interview for this only. I didn't give in the answer for this one. So earlier we given like an answer also actually, but what I thought like we stopping answer. If you given the answer, then only it will give the correct answer. If you are not given the answer, sorry, if it's not given the answer, it won't show the correct answer. At least you have to be try. Why we modified this one? People just for namesake, just to understand how many questions they will try again and again, right? That's the reason we are not giving that option now. If you given the answer, what will be the best answer we can do? Example, introduce myself, like I given. So what will be the best to give the self introduction?
Okay.
Okay, it's a common for the self introduction, but technical maybe you can try Harish and to a Monday interview, Monday class, you can tell me your experience, how it's a tool, maybe any required modifications or you felt good or bad, anything you can give your genuine
Yeah,
feedback Monday.
sure.
Okay, you can try.
Yeah.
Similar way, like you can try for 5 times, so it's a free only. After that, we have a pricing option. In future, we are
Okay.
developing like a check with the professions also. Like still you are not satisfied, you want a more someone personally you want to check with one technical expert, right? At that time, you can hire in a professionals also.
Okay.
That one we are maybe updating by another 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have all these options, multiple choice questions, your resume analyzer, your technical interview, and behavioral interview. You can try all these things now. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. In this, anyone have a questions? This tool completely developed by our internal team only. So Koti is working for this, and Santosh worked for this. Funny. So all our internal trainers and mentors after the classes and all, we worked on late nights and we build this tool.
Okay.
From around 2.5 years, I guess. Right, Koti?
Hello.
1.5 year.
Yeah. Okay.
Mahesh, this
From
tool is
idea
for
point of view, it's maybe 2+, but started completely progressing and around 1+ years, I guess. Yeah.
Mahesh, this tool is only for interview preparation or anything more?
Now it's to practice interviews in real time, like because we every time we can't go for a manual effort to check our capabilities, right? Like a mock interview. So our intention to get the mock interview by AI by multiple times, so it will improve your confidence.
Okay.
So our next version will be this tool to give to the companies as well to check your first interview. Nowadays already some tools developed in that way, so we are also developing for the same.
Got it. Thank you.
So first round will taken by the AI only in future. Now already done. It's most of the companies utilizing this to filter the people. Yeah. So any questions in this? Sorry? Guys, any questions? Like someone speaking?
క్యారెక్టర్ ఒకటి తప్పే కదా మరి డెసిమల్ కూడా వచ్చు కదా ఆల్ ఆప్షన్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా
Oti, maybe you can keep in mute and yeah, great. Yeah, guys, any other questions anyone have? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So guys, maybe you can try with this tool. Monday session, we can connect back again. If anyone have your feedback, like it's either positive way or negative way, you can just share your feedback. So if anything need to be improved, we can try to improve very as early as possible. Harish, I'm waiting for your test as well on Monday.
Sure.
Okay.
I'll tell you on Monday. Yeah.
Sure, Harish. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, shall I start the session then?
Yes, Koti. Thank you. Thank you for your time, Koti.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Hello, good evening, everyone. So everyone talking about GenAI, right? The one application you have saw recently, just now. It is the perfect example for GenAI. Can you hear me, right? Can you see my screen, everyone? Can you see everyone? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is just now we have saw the example, right? Interview of again the inspiration from the chat GPT. It was came in 2022 late, end of 2022. From there we thought an idea in 2023. We started implementing from 2024. By now we got one shape. Of course, parallel we are working and preparing the tool is not so easy, and along with they have classes and all. Okay, but our goal is, and by end of the course of GenAI, not depending on the existing tools of GenAI. By using the GenAI tool, you need to create your own application. Probably it could be a small application, or probably it could be a bigger application. You need to create one application. That is the motive of our course. Okay. Before we are saying that, let's have a word about these companies. Let's go with some examples, some funny and some examples like yesterday. Like, have you heard about these companies? Probably people have heard about the company called Nokia, BlackBerry, Kodak. Barnes and Noble is one of the biggest offline rental bookstores. One of the biggest offline as well as online also. They have online rental bookstores. For example, Wings of Fire is one book is there, right? Wings of Fire, I want to read that book. Instead of buying that book, I can go to the store and I can rent it out. I mean, I can get the rent based on the rent. Now, how many people are going for that? So if anyone want to book, they're opening the laptop. Our majority of our time, screen time is 8 hours to 10 hours in a day, for sure. So we are reading. If you want to read everything, going with the Prime Kindle, Amazon Kindle, right? Like everyone. What happened? They are not updated with respect to the technology. Even with the Kodak, Right. If I remember in 2010, if you want to take the long shots, an helicopter, you need to hire a helicopter and the photographer will take the photo. Now, is it required? You want to capture 1 kilometer surrounding everything, you can use the just drone with cameras. Right. What happened? Nokia. So I maybe probably you guys are young guys, maybe don't know about it. The people who have completed the graduations in early 20s, 2000s, or maybe your father, probably they've used the first mobile is Nokia. Where is Nokia today? Where is Nokia today? Why? They have not upgraded as per the technological changes. And BlackBerry, for security purpose, in every company in early 2012, 2010, early 10s and early 2012 and 13, every company they allowed only BlackBerry in office premises. And the CEOs or manager and above people, they used to communicate from one person to another person via phone. Everyone used the BlackBerry. But they're not upgraded as per the technology. Hence, there is no way. Now, similarly, same thing is happening with the industry also. Same thing happening with the industry also. Now we are migrating from old technologies to new technology, more efficient way. That is the point where AI came into the picture. For example, okay, let me go with the next slide also. So there, all these companies, as example, these companies were market leaders at one point of time, right? But have fallen behind from their competitors. Nowhere. How many of them are using as of today are using the Nokia? How many of them are using BlackBerry as of today? I don't know. Even once upon a time, I'm also biggest fan to BlackBerry. I used it for more than 2 3 years. But how many of them are using BlackBerry? No, right? So why it has happened? Because these companies failed to see the technological disruption which is coming there. Because of the technological changes which are happening in the market, every 30 years, there will be industrial revolution, now technological revolution, and now AI revolution. Way back 1970, farmers in India, especially the country called India, if majority of our country depends on farming, right? Maybe probably your grandparents, maybe your grandparents, grandparents, probably some of your fathers and mother, they are depending on the agriculture, right? Am I right? So now, way back, the moment starting getting the instruments which are using for the agriculture, like tractor, related items. What happened? Your efficiency to use with the help of instrument, the farming has been evolved. Right? Farming have been evolved. That is called industrial revolution. Am I right, brother? Next, in 2000, early 2000, in India, due to LPG, liberalization, privatization, right? Globalization. Because of that, we got we got the technological. First, we got the industrial. That is called boom, technological boom. Everyone started learning, going with the engineering and all. Now, after 25 years, now 1995 to 2025, almost 20, 30 years, right? In 30 years, now we are going with the technological revolution advanced way with the help of AI. Now, what does it mean? For example, you want to send a mail to your teacher regarding the sick leave, or your manager, or your principal, you want to send a mail regarding the leave request. Maybe you're not feeling well. How much time will it take to write an email? How much time it will take generally without using ChatGPT? How much time it will take to write an email? How much time it will take? 20 minutes. I think probably 5 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes. With the help of ChatGPT or with the help of AI tools, it can be done in just less than 1 minute. Just you need to change your name and all. That's it. Right? And when you have written within 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, you have written that message on your own, but without using ChatGPT. Probably there could be any number of grammatical mistakes. Spelling mistakes, there is no meaning at all. Could be possible, right? As a human, there is no guarantee everyone should get English. No, right? So, but with the help of ChatGPT, can you imagine there will be any grammatical mistakes? There will be any spelling mistakes? That is the efficiency has been increased. Communication is more better compared to earlier. Now tell me, is it A is a good way to us or bad way? Both ways are there. But if you the way you are start using that is going to be helpful. Right? So for example, the example I've taken the BlackBerry versus now what is this mobile? iPhone or probably Android mobile, we don't know anything. Probably which mobile? Smartphone. You can simply say smartphone. If I ask you, what is the difference in between these two? Only the keypad? Software. Only keypad and software. That's it. Huh? Features. Any more? Camera. Bigger screen. Very good. Can I say accessibility of the mobile? Accessibility of the mobile. Suppose even don't assume that you don't have a keyboard, but still you need to write. But in the Android or anything now in the smartphone, no need to write. Let's say you're using the WhatsApp also, just you're saying something. Hey, can you bring for this me? Can you bring one bit of something? Automatically it will type the message and it will send it, right? Voice message is possible to send? No, right? So this is the technology example that we have given it, right? So let's say, okay, how world is changing? How world is changing? Let me give one example. Can anyone guess what is happening in this? Can anyone guess what is happening here? Can anyone guess what is the store name? Can anyone guess what is the store name, guys? Reliance Mart. No. Can anyone guess what is the store name? Any guess? Arish? Walmart. Huh?
Walmart.
Very good. Walmart. I mean, the picture is got from the Walmart only. It is situation not now, 2 years ago situation or one year ago situation. Now, you can name the like stores like D-Mart, Walmart, Reliance Mart, GeoMart, right? There is one more. Is there famous mall? I mean, store in US. Target is UK's one.
Costco.
Sorry.
Costco.
Costco. Yeah, Costco. 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 Costco prices are cheaper as compared to all the other things. Am I right, Vinod?
Yes.
Okay. Now, even I got laptop from there only from Costco. Okay. Now, let me tell you a simple example. We have stores. Why you go to store? To buy something. Maybe, probably it could be groceries, perishable items, non-perishable items. What do you mean by perishable and what do you mean by non-perishable? Perishable items, nothing but vegetables. Which we cannot store more than 3 to 4 days. Right? Tomatoes, how long you can store? 2-3 days, right? Non-perishable items like rice, like masala items, and all. Right? And apart from that, you can also get the home appearance. You can also get the gadgets, electronic gadgets, and all. Right? You whatever you want, you can bought it. You taken it. You put everything in. What do we call that? Basket. What do we call? Basket. Now basket. After the basket, what happened? Everything is fine till now. The major challenge is coming now. In front of you, there are 4 to 5 people are standing you. Assume that this is you. This is you. Okay. What is trying to do? Tell me. What is doing? What is doing? Probably. What is happening? Come on. Maybe he has some urgent meeting, probably. Right? Maybe something you cannot stop it. Nature calling. Could be, you can call anything. Right? Right. What if, imagine a scenario. What if there is no queue lines? What if there is no queue line? You buying the item, your checkout within a fraction of seconds or maybe a couple of minutes less than 5 minutes. Just imagine how it would be. How it would be. You bought the 2-3 baskets of items. You are not waiting at all. You are checking out within 2 minutes or a minute with all the items. How do you feel? How do you feel? Is it impressive? Is it awesome moment, right? That is how AI changed the world. That is how AI changing the world. That is called Amazon has introduced. Amazon has introduced called Amazon Go. There is no checkouts. Seriously. No lines. No need to wait. What has happened here? What has happened? You are taking that. So you need to install one application that is called Amazon Go in your mobile. Like the way you use the Prime, the way you use the Netflix, the way you use your some of the applications, right? Same. You need to attach the one account. One account means probably it could be a credit card account or debit card account. Once you go there, let's say you're using 3 baskets, you need to scan all the 3 baskets. You need to scan all the 3 baskets. Whatever item you are putting, everything will calculate into your basket, the item. Finally, the amount will be deducted from your account. Then, is it really required to stand the line? Definitely no. Now, 2 questions coming to the mind. How does 2 questions come? How does Amazon Go knew what items I am buying? Valid question, right? How does Amazon Go knew that what items am I buying? One of the serious important question, right? What could be the bill amount? What could be the bill amount? Right? First question, when you scan the item, so your everything will be transparent item. It will, whatever the items you're putting, it will scan immediately with the help of applications like computer vision. What is the application? Computer vision. It scan the item and it scan the price tag. There will be price tag, right? It is called the price tag. Automatically, it will add that amount. Even if there's some discount on the product also, in the price tag, there will be displayed, right? It will be there. So one of the essential applications which are using in the real world nowadays is computer vision. It is one of the AI application. Okay. Not only this, even let me go with another example where computer vision can be used in the real world. Okay. So swipe the phone, enter the store, pick up the items, will get add to your cart, walk out of the store with the items and get charged. That's it, right? That's what we discussed, right? Am I right? Any questions? Amazon Go is the primary position to disrupt the store of retail industry. Now, I will tell you one example, guys. I will tell you one example. One of the real use case study in India. I experienced it today morning only. It's real use case. Have you ever, listen carefully, very, very important. Have you ever heard about quick commerce? Quick commerce. Have you ever heard about quick commerce? I know 99% of them have tried it, but you don't know what does it mean. Zepto, Blinkit. How have you ever used the Zepto and Blinkit? Yes, sir. Navya? No, never? Okay, fine. Now let me ask a question. How long it will take for Zepto guy to deliver item? Maximum 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, probably up 10 to 15 minutes. Can say. How many items you can able to order at a time? You can order any number of items, probably it could be 10 items, 30 items, and 40 items also. Right? There is no limit for it. Now the second question, what would be the price? Let me tell you one simple example which I've used today only. I have ordered one milk packet early morning today in Zepto. The price of the milk packet, which is 53 rupees. with delivery charges, it became the 58 rupees, something like that. The brand name is Akshay Kalpa. Okay. Now, if I go to some store as a walk-in, the same product I'm getting for 48 rupees. The same product which I'm getting for the 48 rupees. Now tell me, is it good to go that Zepto, or should I go to walk into the store? What is your opinion? For one item, 10 rupees could not be a big deal or cannot be a big problem for majority of us. Imagine a scenario if you are buying these 30, 40 items. Now tell me the difference. 10 into 40, 400 rupees. Maybe could be 600 to 1000 rupees also. 1000 rupees difference is a small amount? No. That is the reason still the surveillance of DMart and Reliance DMart have been increased a lot. Now in middle, the ratio of usage or the revenues of DMart or DMart or Reliance Geo has been decreased, GeoMart has been decreased, but now started again increasing because the price increase of the Zepto and all. Maybe one or two urgent items you can order it. If you want to get the items in the bulk, then people go with this thing only. This is the one of the use case which is really important to understand how to improve the business in real world. Okay, guys. Second question. Now let's take an example. How world is changing? What do you observe in this image? What do you observe in this image?
Both are blind people and walking.
Both are blind people, or okay? And tell me. Okay, both are blind people and what else?
They are walking with the support, both of them.
They are working with some sticks.
Yeah.
Imagine they can use the sticks. Imagine for the blind people, how difficult is it to cross the road? How difficult for them to cross the road? How difficult? It is not so easy, right? It is not so easy. It is really difficult. We don't know where potholes will be there, right? We don't know what kind of different objects, stones, and everything could be there. Possibly could be there, right? We don't know where is the divider. Am I right? Yes, sir. What if we have an application? We have an application. You have just to switch on the see here. What has happened here? What do you observe in this image? What is observed in this image? Can you observe this? Can you observe this? What is happening? So he switch on the camera, or maybe probably has opened one application, automatically taking the control of the camera, and it's scanning the objects what is there around 10 minutes. I mean 10 meters or 20 meters or probably 30 meters. Maybe it cannot be more than that, right? Generally the camera uses. And it gives suggestion. Maybe in another 10 minutes there is a parkour. There is a divider, there is a stone. Now you can walk and you can right, you can move right, left. If the system can tell you that move right, go left, go 2 feet right, 3 feet right, left, that kind of thing. How it will be? Fantastic, right? Blind person can he or himself go themselves right. Am I right? Yes or no? Again, how is it possible? How does camera or application tracking the object or identifying the object? How does the application tracking or identifying the object like potholes, divider? Again, thanks to computer vision. Right? So computer vision is one of the application which is evolving a lot in the industry, which is related to the image data. Image recognition, image patterns of the data. Right. Now, another example. What is that? I mean, I show the both people are there, but self-driving car, self-drive. Anyone have I mean, have you ever been tried with the long drive with the 600 kilometers, 1000 kilometers, something like that? Have you ever been tried with the car 600,000 kilometers? Anyone? Vinod, Harish, Apurva, Arun? Anyone tried? Anyone tried? Maitri, Nara. Anyone tried? Never? Never? Okay. But after driving 300 kilometers, 200 kilometers, how do you feel? Stressful mind. Maybe when you start the journey, it could be, oh, well and good. The moment you start driving, you feel stressful. Imagine, of course, this existed now. Imagine, without my help, car can run herself. What will happen? That is the feature of Tesla. Right? Now, very important question. Very important question. How does, when you're driving the car, right? Maybe you cannot go straight, right? You need to sometimes cross the truck or lorry or another car, bus or two-wheeler. Could be possible, right? Maybe you need to take the U-turns, probably, right? There could be a under construction route could be there. You need to take the diversions. Am I right? So let's say you want the self-mode driving car. So let's say using the Tesla, you want the self-mode driving, you are sleeping. How does Tesla car knew that there is an object, there is a diversion is there? How does Tesla car knew that we need to cross the road or we need to cross the vehicle towards the left side or probably right side anyway? Or maybe to take the left U-turn or not? Again, thanks to computer vision only. Remember, guys, in real world, biggest and most used applications of deep learning, AI, and computer vision is Tesla only. In the deep learning, there is a concept called neural network. There is a concept of neural network. Neural network work as like a human brain. The way our human brain is connected with the help of now. Let's say if I slap you on your face, what will you do? You slap me right again? Right, of course, that's true, right? Generally, right? That's true, right? How do you know I slap you? Huh? Sensing. How do you get the sense? Pain, right? The moment you get the pain, your brain tell you, please respond. Maybe you say, something like expression or anything it could be. So what does the moment if I slap on your face, the nerves would give an instruction to your brain. Something happened on your face, please respond. The process of connecting the nerve to the brain is called neural network. That's simple it is. Right? Like similarly, the computer, they scan the image, right? The Tesla car scan the image. The internet process that there is an object, go towards left, stop, or wait, there is a traffic, go 1 gear, 2 gear, something like that. Speed, 30 point like that. How does it know? Internally process with the help of neural network. The biggest application ever used in the industry in the real world is Tesla with the help of 600 billion neural networks. 600 billion neural networks they've used. It is one of the most heavily used neural network in the industry. 600 billion. In my real world example, so far I've used the 40 neural networks. 40 neural networks. But in real world, how much they're using? 600 billion. Even we have shown the application, right? So far, we saw the application, right? AI interview. There we have used 28 neural networks internally. For that model, we have used the 28 neural network. Right? Right. That is how the using the computer vision AI how being used in the industry. Now the world is faster than what we used to do. Right? Now, what is imagine? Now let me ask a few questions. Let me tell you one example. there is a demand of content writers. Content writer demands is very high in early 2020 10 until 2020. Now, how many of them are hiring the content writers? Very rarely. For example, I'll tell you one example. How many of you tried? I don't know. Let's just imagine you have diagnosis with a fever. How do you know? Thermometer and all. But it is not reducing after 3-4 days also. What will you do? Go to the hospital. He has suggested some blood report. Right? You will give the test report, right? You are a very curious person, like us, everyone, right? We want to know what happened. What is the issue? Before consulting the doctor, you will upload your report to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is giving the answer. Right? What kind of disease is your? Right? How does it tracking? And after that, based on it, you're asking the question. Earlier, when there is no ChatGPT, when there is no AI, whatever doctor said we should listen them. Okay, sir, thank you. Now we are asking the question. What is this indication mean? Is it impacting of that? Now our job made is very easy. Yes, right? We are asking a question. We have a responsibility to ask the question, right? Ourselves, right? That is again one of the application where we are using the data science in the real world. Okay, let's understand one example. How to make a decision? Okay, let's understand with that. What is this, guys? Can anyone respond? What is this? Can anyone respond? Mallappa, Paritosh, can someone respond, please? Can someone respond, please? Hello, Nagamohit, Nagarjuna, can you hear me? Everyone? Anyone? Can someone respond? Yes. Vinod, what is thinking? What is thinking? What is thinking? How many routes are there?
Two routes are
Two
there.
routes.
Which way I need to go? He's thinking.
Is thinking which is the fastest route or which is the quickest route to reach his, maybe he has wear the tie with nice coat and all, probably he's going to office. Can you imagine he's going for party? Maybe probably he's going for a meeting, office meeting, right? For party, we never go like this, right? Right. Now, which is as per you, how many routes are there? Two routes. As per your understanding, which is the fastest route? Does the route is, route is going to be two routes. Imagine this is the
Right side route.
B and that side route is the A.
B.
Which is the fastest route?
B.
B. Why?
There is no traffic.
No traffic at.
No traffic. There is no traffic. Because of B is there is no traffic. And A is there is a traffic. Because of that, you are assuming that or you are saying that B is the much fastest route to reach the office. But let's come with some assumptions. So if you want to solve any problem, AI problem, data science problem, any problem, there is a 5 steps you need to understand. What is the problem you're trying to solve? Let's take an example like the person is thinking in front of there are two routes, which is the fastest route to reach the office. That is the problem. So as a data scientist or as AI specialist, your goal is always trying to solve the business problem. Right? And with respect to the problem, we are trying to collect the data collection, what data is required, processing the data, how to process data, exploring and different aspects we need to analyze, finally we provide the solution. Let's say, so choose the fastest to do the work. Now tell me, now I have 5 parameters like distance, speed, day of the week, time of the day, traffic flow. There are the two routes, route A and route B. What is the distance of route A? 14 kilometers. Distance of route B? 20 kilometers. on average speed, you are going 10 kilometers per hour. Day of the week, Monday morning, 9 o'clock. Traffic flow is the route A is the dense, and traffic flow route B is the mild. As per you, you have mentioned that route B is the much fastest route. Now tell me. Now we have an assumption that the route B is more distance as compared to route A. Now tell me. Which is the fastest route?
A.
Route A.
Route A.
Route A. Now you made a decision. Change. You change your decision.
Because we didn't have this data.
Oh, sorry.
Because we didn't have this data, that's why it confused.
Yes, very. So by looking at the problem, what I mean to say here, whether right or wrong, forget about it. When I given a problem, without thinking for a second, directly you made some decision, right? Similarly, in data science or in AI, just by giving a data or by telling a problem, you cannot come to a conclusion. Cannot come to a conclusion, right? Now let's see. There is a traffic, 14 kilometers. Just go back to the roots of Bangalore traffic. Just for a minute, go back to the traffic. I'm just staying away from our office, KSR office, just staying away from 6 kilometers, only 6.5. Can you imagine how much time is it taking to reach the office? 1 hour. Very good. Right? Absolutely correct. Now, another person, I stay in Whitefield, office is in Marthapalli. Let's say we have another option. Marthapalli. Okay. Another office, let's say HSR. Another person staying at HSR. From HSR to KSR is 10 kilometers. Can you guess how much time it will take for him to reach the office? Half an hour. The person who is staying from Whitefield 6 kilometers taking 1 hour. Then how is it possible? Because of traffic. Traffic we don't know. That is the reason one of the important aspects we need to look into the dense. Here the dense and mile. Dense is nothing but more number of the people are traveling the route. And other factors. So route A is 1 hour 20 minutes actual time. Route B is 2 hours. As majority of the people which are 14 kilometers, right? Now, as you mentioned, everyone will go that route A, right? As you mentioned, route A, right? As majority of the people going to route A, what happened? Traffic would be more or increases. Am I right? Traffic will increase. Then, obviously, in getting traffic, there will be a delay, right? So, just to assume that the delay is 55 minutes. 55 minutes. So, actual time plus delay time. 1 hour, 20 minutes plus delay time. 2 hours, 15 minutes. Route B is 2 hours. So now tell me which is the best route? Route B. So this is how you need to come to a conclusion while making a decision. The entire process can learn with the help of machine learning and deep learning. Now you have one question in mind. How did you get to know that there is 55 minutes of delay? Valid question, right? You mentioned 50, I mentioned 55, right? I predicted there is a chance of 55. How do you predict it? The prediction can be done with the help of machine learning algorithms. Am I right? With the help of machine learning algorithms. What is data science? Let me give one more example. Data science or generative AI or anything is the process of putting a framework to a unstructured problems. Unstructured problems to a structured problem. Or you have a mess. Assume that your room is everything is mess. Someone want to come to your room also, they feel active. What do? You put somewhere and clothes on bed, on multiple things, on multiple places. You try to make them more organized way so that everyone can come and stay in your room or sit in your room. Similarly, data science is all about putting the process framework to a unstructured problem. So, what is this? Can you just another example? Very interesting example. What do you can see? What do you see in the screen? Come on, guys.
Google Maps, maybe.
Google Maps navigation. What else? What else? Come on. Speed up. Where is the speed?
Nearest distance.
Where is the speed?
40. Speed.
Where you see in the screen the 40? This one.
No, corner.
Maps.
Maps.
Map.
Corner. This corner.
Okay. 40 speed. Okay. What else you observed? Temperature. What is the temperature? 24. Okay. What else? Huh?
Different possible routes to destination.
Okay. Something else. Music. That's it, right? Let's imagine a scenario. What do? You are getting into a car and the car audio system does not start. You are getting into a car, audio system does not start. What do? You will jump and will go directly to the mechanic. Hey, my audio is not working. Will you do? You'll go direct. Abdullah, will you do that? No, what do you do? Come on, guys, what will you do? What will you do? Come on, what will you do, guys? Nagarjuna, what will you do? Arun, what will you do? Vinod, what will you do? Harish, what will you do? Come on. What will you do? My Senapati, what will you do?
Use mobile phone.
Use mobile phone. That is not a solution, right? Srinivas, what is your opinion?
Yeah, probably we'll take this image and put in ChatGPT to get that recommendations.
ChatGPT. Okay. Okay. Very nice idea. Innovative idea.
We'll turn
Krishna,
off
what will
the
you do?
we'll turn off the car engine and again restart.
Turn off the.
Turn off car and restart again.
Okay. Very good. Krishna, what will you do? You are expert in car, right? Now tell me, what will you do? Looks like everyone having fun. See, so first you check everyone. Just the common sense will apply, right? Is the audio system is powered? Check. So you are switch like when you get in the car, obviously you first switch on the car, right? And then while going, you definitely everyone listen the music. 99% of them. Am I right? First you check the is audio system is powered or not. Directly you will not go to the mechanic, right? First you check the audio system is powered. Is the volume turned or not? Right? And system looking for right wires and everything is connected or not. Right? Still if it doesn't work, then you'll go to the mechanic. Who told you to do all the steps? 3 steps you have done, right? Who told you to do all the steps? No one taught you to do, right? Fortunately, of course, now we have a chat GPT, you can check the chat GPT. But who told the chat GPT to do all this thing? You you taught yourself experience with the help of experience or by logical thinking. Okay. Imagine your phone automatically fell down. By mistake, it fell down. That will jump into the mechanic, the person who, what do you call? Repair. Directly go to the repair. First, directly will check is screen break or not, broken or not. Right, working or not. If it is not working, again switch off and switch on. You connect with the cable. Multiple things you do, right? Before go to the repair shop, right? Similarly, who told you to all to do? No one, right? By common sense, by applying the logic, right? Okay. So that is called we applied the data science or AI without realizing ourselves. We applied the steps, right? Structural step by step. Without realizing, without knowing ourselves, we applied the data. Data science is everywhere in our daily life. 2 examples, like what is the fastest route? Without knowing ourselves, we applied it. Here also, without knowing ourselves, we applied the data science. So let's say one example I will give you. One example I will give you. One example I will give you. Let's say you get a message from your bank informing that 4,000 rupees transaction record, 4,000 rupees have been deducted from your account, which you did not recognize, which you have not done. What will you do? What will you do?
First of all, we check our accounts. Transaction history.
Transaction history you check. Okay, imagine you check the transaction history, 4,000 been deducted. What will you do? Sorry? Call customer care. Okay? Guys, what will you do? What will you do? Let's say you got a message from, you call up to the bank to find out about the transaction, get the bottom of the all the details about the right. Now the question coming to our mind, check if message intent for you. Maybe you call, when you call the customer care, for what? You ask them to block the card or your account for temporarily without deducting further amount, right? Am I right, Abdullah?
Yes.
Now the question is, hey, I'm calling, I'm Abdullah, my account, my money have been deducted from my account. Will they block it immediately? They'll take some time. While before taking some time, they will verify your details, right?
Yes.
They'll ask you what is your full name. They will ask you your date of birth, right? They will ask you maybe customer ID, last 4 digits, maybe your card number, PAN card number, Aadhaar ID. Probably could be some details they'll ask you. Once they verify the details, then they'll block the card. Make sense? For example, 4,000 could be a small amount for you. Imagine instead of 4,000, 4 lakh have been deducted from an account. How is your response? How is your reaction? Tense, right? Tense, shock. You don't know what to do also. Right? Right? Listen carefully. Very, very important. All of a sudden, when you call to the customer care, they're asking you, man, oh, when you visited last time branch, how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? The next thing, okay, that is one example. You'll feel, you'll get angry. Let me, in front of me, I'll slap. That kind of anger you get. Because when attention, we got the 4 lakh from our account, have been deducted. Second thing, our purpose to call, block the call. But they're asking some annoying questions. Sir, we have a health insurance policy which might be useful to you. Would you like to know about more about the details? Frustration, you scold them also. Right? So similarly, think in the same direction, guys. Think in the same direction. When your manager or your client share you the business problem, in that real world example, our goal is to ask you the right questions. What if you ask annoying the manager and all if you ask unnecessary questions? Do you think they'll feel happy? No, right? Do you think they'll feel happy? No, right? Analysts expect to dig deeper, make sure that there is no bias in the way business problem is solved. Okay, let's play some game. Let's play some game. Okay, guys, let's play some game. Okay, let's play some game. I will show you on screen. Okay, for 2 minutes, 1.5 minute. Okay, and then you need to answer. Okay, let's start now. Okay, let's play some game. Okay. Okay, done. Done. Okay. Now tell me what you have seen. Can you tell me what is there? iPad. Okay, guys, come on. Wait, iPad. Next. Ball.
Bat,
Bat.
pencil,
Bat,
What bat?
racket,
ball, pencil, racket,
Pencil.
Notepad.
Racket.
laptop,
Notepad.
laptop,
Bot.
right?
I need the
laptop,
order. Same order.
camera.
What is there in the same order? Not blindly. What is there in that?
Yeah.
Blindly order I need.
iPad, racket, pen,
One
watch.
by one. One by one. Who let wait? Who is answering? Go ahead, please. Vasu.
Yeah.
You
iPad,
know. iPad.
racket,
Racket.
pen,
Sorry.
pen,
So, pen. Pen. Okay.
watch,
Okay.
ball,
Ball. Okay.
notepad,
Notepad. Okay.
bat,
Is the order is correct? Whatever I say. Okay.
laptop.
Laptop.
Yeah.
Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. I,
Oh,
I have taken
you are
this.
cheating. You are cheating. Okay. Then okay. iPad, racket, pen, watch, ball, notepad. Now, I mean, if you cheat, we cannot do anything. But it is how is it easy? How is it easy to remember? Let's see. About the framework, see, all the gadgets at one place, all the sports equipment another place, all the stationary items at one place, like iPad, laptop, watch, camera, right? Sports equipments, like stationary, pen, notepad, and all. This is again. This now tell me what are the stationary items, what are the gadgets, what are the sports equipment. Now it is easy to remember, right? Right? Again, this is another framework. So now we have given earlier, we have given all these things at different places, which is not in order, proper order, which is unstructured way. Now we are making them in a structured way so that everyone can able to understand easily. That is what the mean here. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, let me stop here already. Already 1.5 hour, more than 1.5 hour. Let me stop here. We'll discuss rest of thing in the next Monday class. Okay. Now, any questions, guys? Any doubt? Any questions? Any doubt? Any questions? Any doubt? Okay. Yes, Srinivas.
Sir, like one question, like, I mean, it's more general, not related to today's session, but I'm from a BI background, so just want to understand. We have two different courses, right? Data science and data engineer. So, which one will be the best suit
What is your
to learn?
experience?
I'm like, say around 12, 13 years.
What is your, if you don't mind, may I know the range of CTC you are in? I don't want your
I
exact
mean,
salary, but range of CTC.
No, I'm in US and yeah, I have like around 150K per annum.
Oh, you're in US. Okay. Srinivas ji, what happens, data engineering is nothing but collecting the data from different sources, clean the data, and make data readily available for analysis. Collecting the data from different sources, cleaning the data for by using different sources. For that, we use pipeline. That pipelines are called Databricks.
Yeah.
Right? With the help of Databricks, we does. That is what high level view of the data engineering. What data science and GenAI is, by using the data which have readily available data, use it for prediction, making the data used for prediction. Not only the structured data, you can use semi-structured data, image data, and everything. Now, as per current market of US, GenAI is having high demand.
Okay.
And eventually, I mean, right now at this point, as of today, the number of calls, interview calls people are getting in US on GenAI is double than data engineering.
Okay, got you. Okay.
Because we do have our own consultancy in US.
Okay, got it.
Where we have our students who are looking for jobs, who are in a bench, who are looking to get a job, and we observe that this is what I have noted.
Okay, got it. And once we, say, take this training for 6 months, right, and complete all your assignments or something, like how many years experience we can put on AI or GenAI, like
See,
post
if
our
you want to get the high level package, you need to go to 3 to 4 years of experience would be better. As a fresher also, direct to fresher, you want they get, they need to showcase some internships and all. In your case, as you have already 12, 13 years of experience, already you're earning 150K. You cannot go beyond less than that, right? You always look for better,
Correct.
right? So you need to showcase minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in this let's say ChatGPT, you're using ChatGPT came in 2012, 2022. Right. Prior to that, you show that I've used the chat bots, I've used some transformation, some attention mechanisms. That is a part of your computer vision. You can show 5 to 6 years. Then number of calls would be more.
Okay. Got
See,
it. And
ultimately,
like,
as per the US market, if you get a call, likely chances to clear the interview would be more. To get a call, the minimum expectations, before testing our skills, they'll check our resume, right?
correct, yeah.
In that resume, they'll check how many years of experience. That is the only primary indicator they considers.
I agree. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And
please.
by taking this training, we will have that confidence, right, to have that 3 years
Definitely.
experience.
Sir, as a trainer, I built that application which I've shown you, right? Why can't you get
Yeah.
the confidence? But only one thing which I always tell to our students and consultant is that please practice the assignments which I've given. Try to be active in the class. If you're able to complete that, definitely you are at high par level.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Next question,
And
Vinod.
last,
Please. 1 second, Satyaji. 1
can
second,
you
please.
share that course content, sir? Like, whatever you have shown in Excel yesterday, right? And
Yeah, definitely. I will show. I think so Sujata, please share. Yeah, we have a group call. We'll share you, sir, immediately now.
Sure,
Are you part of any group?
Okay. And the same thing, the AI training, what they created recently.
Yeah, we'll share you immediately. Please share the data science. Yeah, we'll share it, sir. Oh, okay.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Next, Vinod, go ahead.
Koti, a quick question. So, can we see? I completed the data engineering course also. In case, like, can we put both the role in resume?
You can put. See, obviously, when you put the multiple rows, the opportunity. You are also in US, right?
No, recently moved to India.
Recently moved. Yeah, in India, if you put the data engineering combination of both, you are. See, now companies are expecting multi-skill rather than single skill. That is the reason we are for the deployment we are covering in our course also we are using Azure and AWS, majorly AWS. For big data and all, we are also using this course PySpark. And for pipeline creation, we are also using AWS SageMaker. So if you have multi-skill data engineering skill set and as well as you have generative skills, the opportunities would be more, the number of calls would be more, sir, in India.
Okay, so can we use GenAI for data engineering as?
At this point, maybe you can use the AI agents to create the pipelines, but that's what I have noted that 95% projects are failing because of data is not consistent what you are getting every time, right?
Okay.
So the reality, sir, let me tell you one example. The reality of 95% of at this point, we are in the niche skill. 95% of the GenAI projects are getting failed because of we are not aware of all the scenarios. So that means what is the use to learn? Maybe at this point, failing, but whatever the problem you're getting from that, you'll try to fix it, right? So maybe down the 5 to 6 months, maybe it has been reduced 95 to 90. That's how it will be.
Okay, so you're saying it's not feasible as of now.
In real world, all the projects are not feasible, sir.
Okay.
So the reason is, see, I'll tell you one example. So let's say AI agents are let's say are using telecaller, replace the telecaller. Let's say you call a person to remote area person who don't know anything, probably could not able to explain the problem correctly, right? He could not able to explain the problem correctly. Do you think AI can able to solve it? Definitely no, where human involvement is required. These are some of the challenges which are happening in the industry. Understood, Vinod?
Got it. Got it. So
Satya, yeah, please.
last question.
Yeah, please,
So
please. Vinod.
GenAI we can implement for our testing, testing automation testing as well as, right?
Yes, yes, that's what they came into the. That is how AI agents now. First thing they're going to replace the RPA.
Okay.
First, earlier we have a testing. Testing has been replaced by RPA. Now RPA is going to be replaced by AI agents or agentic AI.
Okay. So when a GenAI is going to complete, any tentative time?
For our course,
Yes. In this course.
now we are in September first week, right? September, October, November, by February.
5 months. Okay.
But I need your support for the weekend class also. Then that's how it will be. So 1.5 hour to 2 hours, 1 hour 40 minutes, something. If you able to support me, I can able to complete as soon as possible.
Sir?
My goal is not teach basics and okay, my course is complete. I want to go in depth. You have seen the examples also today and tomorrow that we've checked covered, which give the indication of in depth. Yeah. Yes, Satya, you're waiting for long time, please.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, good
Vinod,
evening,
I
sir.
can answer the question again, please. Satya, keep on waiting for long time, please, Satya.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Satya.
Sir, I'm a fresher, sir. This year passed out.
Which year?
This year, 2025.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Is it a good start? That means, is this course is good for freshers or
See.
experience?
Okay, let me answer that question, sir. For a fresher, whomsoever is passed out 2025 or 2024, for them, only 3 courses which are in the market, which are suitable courses.
Okay.
One is Java full stack,
Okay.
Python full stack, and data science GenAI. Okay. If you want to be a coding expert and want to be there forever in your career, go with that. And if you want to explore new opportunities and new challenges and having a fast growth in your career, go towards the data science. But in all the scenarios, directly if I learn the course, I want to get a job as a fresher, impossible. What you have to do, you need to showcase some internship experience. And you need to do the projects and put those projects or explore those projects on GitHub, LinkedIn, and learn the concepts without 6 months to 1 year or 8 months of intern. Then with the help of that, apply a job, you'll get a job. That is my suggestion. But as a trainer, as a data scientist expert who am being in the industry for more than 13 years, I can just tell, go with this.
Okay.
Why I'm telling you all these things? My salary has been, see, in industry, I think there are the experts like already Vinod is an expert. Vinod,
Yeah.
are you there?
Tell me.
Can I ask one simple question? Don't mind.
Yeah.
What is
Please.
your experience, Vinod?
I have 15 plus years of experience.
15. You are in the market for 15 years, right? Very
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Now, sir, as per the market, number of years into how many times the salary would be?
No, again, that is based on the skills.
Generally.
Yeah. So 15 years, like in USA. So
Let's say 3 years experience.
Uh-huh.
What would be the salary expectation, ideally, as per the market, in your opinion?
In India?
In India, I'm talking about in India only.
Yeah. So
10?
12 to 15.
That means 3 to 4 times, right?
Yeah.
3 to 4 times of your experience, right?
Yes.
In my personal career, over the 13 years experience, can you imagine how much times I have a salary? Which is 6 to 7 times.
It's really great.
Right. All it has happened, why I'm talking about all this thing, when I started my career, Satya or anyone, I told to the people, few people also are there. Not like, I'm not lying at anyone. When I started, there were very, very few companies who are using the data science. Less than 100 companies throughout India. Right? We used to get the niche skill bonus also. Special bonus in the company because of we are having such rare skill. Now the same scenario is happening with the GenAI guys. Now majority of the company has not adapted the GenAI in real world. Majority of the projects are in POC, proof of concept. They're testing it. This is the right time to enter into this industry. Next to 10 years is going to be very, very big moment for GenAI or agentic AI. Maybe I don't know what new terms may come. Probably it could be quantum analytics, quantum AI. That is what I'm expecting the big thing in the next market. People are doing research a lot. That is advanced version of the 3 times advanced version of the agentic AI or GenAI, quantum AI, right? Which is not there in the market yet. So if you are in this industry more and more time, probably chances would get more and more packaged. That may not happen with Java and Python, which I've never seen those people, that kind of things in the industry. Right, Satya, are you clear?
Yes, sir, I'm done. But actually, I was in a little bit of confusion. That's why.
Yeah, please. You are happy to ask the questions. Yes, please. Thank you.
That's why I
Next
asked
question,
this
please.
question.
Yeah,
Nothing,
that will
sir.
be always welcome to ask the questions. I'm more than happy to answer the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Next
you,
question, please. Thank you. Vinod, any questions? Further questions? Next question, Vasu. Okay. If no questions, then let me wrap up the session today. Vasu, please.
Yeah, sir. So the internship will be work from home, or we have to offline do the internship?
Sir, internships only freshers are not the experienced people.
So the internship we can do from work from home, or we have to visit office.
If you come to the office, that would be great.
But if I am not able to visit the office, is that okay?
You are a fresher or experienced?
Yes, so I have worked like 1 year in HDFC, but not in this IT field.
See, for you already are working. How can you show that intense experience? It is kind of mood-like.
Okay. So I only work in like 1 year, and then after I go to.
If you're not working, then you can try with the intern. That would be better. If you're working and again parallelly you're showing the intern experience, that may not work in the real world.
Okay. So because of my health issue, so I left the job
Are
and.
you working or not working currently?
No, currently I am not working.
Then you can show that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Srinivas. See.
No, sir. I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you on Monday. As
And
the first
happy
week.
Teachers Day,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
Happy
Happy
Teachers
Teachers
Day,
Day,
sir.
sir.
By
Happy
the way, I'm
Teachers
not
Day.
a teacher. I'm just a professional expert who can teach the subject. Teacher means who dedicate their entire life to shape the people life.
Yeah, but here also, right, based on your education, a
Yeah.
lot of people get jobs, right? So even that is transformation.
Yeah, I agree
Thank
with
you.
Srinivas. Yeah,
Thank
happy
you.
Teachers Day.
Thank you all. See you. See you. Bye bye. See you on Monday.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.